Hello, Jace Fugate here with another session of the Introduction to the Go Programming Language course. So today we're going to be talking about arrays, sibling, or very close cousin, slices. So slices are the same concept as arrays, but instead of them being fixed length, they are variable length. And so you initialize a slice the same way that you would an array, but instead of putting a number between the square brackets, you just don't put anything. So let's go ahead and print this out. And let's run this here. There you go. It prints out just square brackets because we initialized a slice and it first starts out with 0 items. If we wanted to, we could initialize this with some stuff in it. There you go. So very similar to initializing an array, but again, we just don't put a number. There you have it, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can do the same thing. We can use type inference, so we don't have to put that first type because we're giving it the type here. Same thing, or if we wanted, we could also use the shorthand variable declaration syntax. Arrays are the same when it comes to indexing. So if we wanted to change the first item, we could. Or if we wanted to just access the first item, you could. Same way, you use the square brackets and then you put in the index that you want to access, whether setting or getting. So arrays and slices are, in a usability standpoint, almost identical. Again, slices are nice because you don't have to give it an initial size and you're not bound to that size. So let's go ahead and use the len and cap here. Let's print out the length. 4. I'm going to print out cap 4. It's interesting. They're the same, just like arrays. In the next few videos, we're going to be using the same functions on slices, and we're going to show that they actually can become different. So a heads up with me on how I usually code in Go is I almost 100% of the time use slices. I think slices are just easier to use because, again, you don't have to give it the size beforehand. That being said, you can give arrays a heads or like a little bit ahead of slices because of performance. A slice really just uses an array under the hood. If you add more elements to a slice, it will just create a new array under the hood, copy items from one slice, put them into the other, and then there you have it. I haven't found a case where that has mattered too much to things that I'm doing, but it depends on the performance needs of your program. But there you have it. That's just the first glimpse to slices. In the next few videos, we're going to be going over some more of the intricacies of slices and how to use them. Thank you so much for being here, and we will see you again.